how to add a video to your Wix website. So once we have entered the website edit page, we want to focus on the left hand side and we want to press on the plus icon that says add elements. So from here we want to select the search tool and we want to search for video like I have right here. So it will give us different options. We can either use Wix video, transparent video, or single video players. So for this I'm going to do a single video player. If we click on it, then right here we can see we can actually attach a video from YouTube, from Facebook, Dailymotion, or either a direct video upload. So I'm just going to do a direct video upload. I'm going to drag and drop it right here. And if I want to change the video, all I have to do is click on change video and then select change video once more. And if you want to upload your own video or media, you have to click on upload media, upload from your computer, and you can load up your file this way. So that's how you upload a video to your Wix website. Leave a like and sub.